Welcome, dear children. Today we are going to see the second part of the lesson, the ancient cities of Tamilagam. Now we are going to study about Pumbugar. Pumbugar was also known by names such as Pugar and Kaveri Pupattinam. Silappatikaram in particular speaks about the greatness of Pumbugar. The lead female character of Silappatikaram is Kannagi. Her father is Manaikan. Sea traders are known by the name Manaikan. The male character Kovalan's father is Masathuvan. Masathuvan means a big trader. It is clear from the text that Pumbugar was a place where big traders and sea traders had settled down. Numerous merchants from foreign countries such as Greece and Rome landed at Pumbugar. Due to busy and continuous trade, many of them stayed on indefinitely in Pumbugar. There are evidence of foreigners' settlements in the town. People speaking many languages inhabited Pumbugar in its glorious days. As loading and unloading of ships took some months, the foreign traders began to interact with the local people during that period. This enabled the native to learn foreign languages for communication. Similarly, the foreigners also learned Tamil to communicate with the natives. This conduct facilitated not only exchange of goods but also languages and ideas, resulting in cultural blending. What's the meaning of blending? The mixing. The traders of Pumbugar were known for their honesty and integrity. They sold goods at legitimate prices. What's the meaning of legitimate? Legitimate means reasonable price. Pattinapalai states that selling any commodity at a higher price was considered bad. The author of Pattinapalai, Kadiyalur Urthirangannanar. How do we pronounce? Kadiyalur Urthirangannanar belonged to 2nd century BCE. This is indicative of Pugar's antiquity. Horses were imported by sea. Peppers were procured through the land route. Gold that came from Vadamalai was polished and exported to the overseas countries. Sandal from Western Ghats, pearls from Southern Sea, coral from Eastern Sea, and food items from Elam were imported. Pumbugar had been built differently from other towns. Each social group had a separate settlement. Streets were broad and straight, dotted with well-designed houses. There was also a dockyard. We can learn about the life of the people of Pugar by reading Pattinapalai and Pugar Kandam of Silappatikaram. Pumbugar was a busy port up to 200 CE. It might have been either washed away by sea or destroyed by big shore waves. The remains of that destruction can still be seen in the present Pumbugar town. Let us have a short recap. What is the present name of Pumbugar? The present name of Pumbugar is Mayiladurai. What are the two different names of Pumbugar? The two different names of Pumbugar are Pugar and Kaveri Pupattinam. Who was the father of Kannagi? Manayakan was the father of Kannagi. In which river bank Pumbugar is located? in the river bank of Kaveri, Pumbugar is located. Who were the Kovalan and Kannagi? Kovalan and Kannagi were the well-known characters of Silappadigaram. They lived in Pumbugar. Which is the capital of early Chola kingdom? The early Chola kingdom had Pumbugar as it is capital. Which book was written by Kadilur Uruthirangannanar? Kadilur Uruthirangannanar wrote the book Pattinapalai. What does Pattinapalai utter about the traders of Pumbugar? It speaks the traders of Pumbugar were known for their honesty and integrity. Pattinapalai states that selling any commodity at a higher price was considered bad. Thank you, dear children. We shall see more about this lesson in the next video. Learn well, do well.